Hey everyone, okay, so we've got Charlotte Tilbury Hot Lips here. So what I'm going to do is give you a little glimpse and then do some swatching for you. So this is the new Hot Lips by Charlotte Tilbury. We've got new casing and you can switch the cases around by popping off the lid, pulling the base off, and therefore you have different designs to make you moist. I have no idea, but great idea. I'm going to depot these so I could give two shits about that, but pretty good. So let's make a start. So the first one is Glowing Gem. So let's have a look. This is Glowing Gem. Ta-da! Beautiful. Let's do a swatch. Keeper. That's a summery. This would look really good with the Golden Goddess kind of look. Can't see anymore because I'm old. In Love with Olivia is the next one, and it is this shade. I think I'm gonna like it. What do you think? Looks quite nude. Let's swatch it. Love it. Beautiful. Let's keep it over there. So next up, we've got, oh, I can't read it. Is it CARIN'S? CARIN'S Star? I don't even know who these people are. I'm old. So this is the color. So let's give it a swatch. That's pretty nice, right? That's quite a nice color. Thanks very much. Next we've got, what have we got here? We've got Viva La the Garda. Viva La the Garda. And oh, that's quite a deep sort of browny red color for those of you who love a little bit of that kind of brown red. There it is. So now we've got, I can see this one, Patsy Red. So here we go. Oh, I'm sorry, I'll show that to the screen. So this is Patsy Red. Now the formula is identical to the original Hot Lips, so you're not losing anything in that regard. So if you like the original formula, you will love this. So we've got JK Magic. JK Magic. Hope you got permission. Okay, so here we go. So there it is. Now I already love this one because I've been testing this, so I'm going to swatch it here. It is the most beautiful nude. It's so nice. Okay. Moving on, we're nearly there, we're nearly there. So we've now got Amazing Amal, which is this kind of mauve color lipstick, and we'll swatch that here. I really like that one. I'm really not a fan of the deeps. I really just like pinky beige, beigey nudes, that kind of stuff. I can't read a fucking thing. Okay, this is Enigmatic Edward. Oh, it's clear. It's a clear lip gloss. So I'm not going to swatch that because, well, I am actually. It looks like nothing. So there you go. Use it to prime your lips. Whatever. Okay, moving on. We've got Red Hot Susan. And it's this color here. Red Hot Susan. So, you know, if you like your reds, I'll pop it here. That's a nice red. I'll give credit where it's due, as you do. That's a really good red. Next we've got Angels, Sandra? I can't read and I can't see. Okay, I'm a blind makeup artist. Help me. There we go. Gonna love it. Love it. Thanks. And finally, we have the Dancefloor Princess. Ooh, what a treat. What a surprise. Oh, look. It's a nude. Thanks very much. Where should I pop it? Oh, yes. That is loverly. So loverly. There you go. That's the swatches. Look at that one. I think so. Gorgeous. So I'm going to decant all these and pop them into a palette, but really beautiful collection, absolutely stunning collection. And there you go. That is Charlotte Tilbury Hot Lips #2 coming at you. See you next time. Bye bye. Oh, links are down there. Ta-da.